Hi, we are Andres and Thomas, and we will present a demo entitled Integrating Cloud RAN with Packet Core as VNF using Open Source MANO and OpenAirInterface. In this demo, we present a testbed integrating a Cloud RAN based on switch, Ethernet Xhaul, and functional splitting with an evolved packet core deployed as a virtual network function in a cloud infrastructure. For the Cloud RAN, we consider two LTE VBUs. VBU1 adopts split 7.1, which instantiates low physical layer functions at the DU and the high physical layer functions, layer 2 and layer 3 functions at the CU. VBU2 adopts split 2, which instantiates layer 1 and layer 2 at the DU and layer 3 at the CU.
The packet core for our testbed setup is realized by a network service running in Open Source MANO OSM. This network service instantiates our similar MET EPC VNF, which is our implementation using OpenAirInterface to realize the components of our packet core, that is HSS, MME, SPGW-U and SPGW-C. OSM instantiates this VNF, that is in the form of virtual deployment units, inside our OpenStack cluster as virtual machines.
This is the setup for the demo. Blue identifies VBU1. This is the distribute unit, the remote radio head, the user equipment connected to that VBU. This is the Linux container at the CU with VBU1. Red identifies VBU2. This is the distribute unit connected to the remote radio head and the user equipment served by this VBU2. This is the Linux container hosting VBU2 at the central unit. This is the mobile Xhaul. This switch, mid-haul switch, aggregates the traffic from both VBUs into a shared mid-haul link. The second switch, the backhaul switch, aggregates the backhaul traffic from both VBUs, connecting them to the EPC. As the EPC is deployed remotely in a cloud infrastructure, we use this machine to establish a VPN connection to the EPC. This laptop, on the other hand, allows us to monitor the parameters on the EPC. Now we are ready to run our VBUs.
This is the log output of the MME. It shows that both eNode Bs as well as some user equipments have connected and attached to our packet core. We are using an OpenStack cluster to host the virtual deployment units of our VNF. The virtual deployment units of our VNF are instantiated as virtual machines in our OpenStack setup. We are using Open Source MANO to manage the instance of our packet core, which is realized as network service. This network service instantiates our similar MET OpenAirInterface VNF, which deploys the components of the packet core, that is MME, HSS, SPGW-U and SPGW-C.
Once the UE is connected to the network, we can see our network parameters using the app Net Analyzer. For instance, the network operator, which in our case is 208.92. Now the UE is ready to access services, surfing the web, streaming, and much more. We hope you enjoyed our demo. Thank you very much.